Welcome to Planter Garden TV. Here I come today to pick out some carrot seeds. I want to try beet. I know come from my garden, but I know I come here now because I want to see what I want to plant. They have basil up there. You see the price is $2.49. And you could get a lot of plants from one pack of seed. So you have a lot of variety of seed. You have cucumber, you have corn, you have all kind of seed. You have spinach. You know, there's a lot of seed you can basically get from the store. Pepper, collard greens, pak choy. I think I set some pak choy seed already. $1.69. I mean, guys, take my word for it. You buy the seed, it costs you a lot cheaper. Okay? It takes more time, but you get your garden prepared from the spring into the summer, and you can plant them in the spring. You set your seed January, February indoors, and then you plant them out in the spring, and you could save a lot of money. One plant costs $4 to $3. One pack of seed costs $2 and change, where you could get 20 plants. So guys, think about it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.